Welcome to CADROUT. Today we will look at the different ways to model machine and after assembly. We'll start with the promotion of bodies. Have a look at this simple assembly. It contains only one component, a simple model made in a traditional way. We are going to cut this component after assembly. For that we have a sketch and a simple body based on that sketch, which we will subtract from the component. But in order to be able to do the subtraction, we will have to first promote a component's body to the assembly level. A body promotion adds a special feature to the Path Navigator, but otherwise the component acts as a regular component without a promotion. Let's do the subtraction and review the result. The assembly behaves like in the real life. We can see that the component itself has not been changed. All changes exist only at the assembly level. If we calculate the assembly weight, we can see that the changes of the geometry have been taken into account. We can check this and see that the assembly weight is indeed correct. Now let's add some features to the promoted body and replace the component and see where it takes us. Let's add some edge blend. This will be enough, like this. And let's replace the component with another one. Let's review the assembly. We can see that the promoted body is now a broken link, although the geometry is retained. We can fix that by promoting a body of a new component and make some manual adjustments. Let's replace the target of the subtraction first. We can map changes in geometry, although I won't do this in this case. Let's review the result. Get rid of the old link. The edge blend feature has been successfully mapped to the new geometry. Obviously we can't expect this to be the case every time, so let's have a look at how we can make the whole model more resilient to change. Let's apply edge blend to the negative body which we subtracted from the component. Like this. Make it current and see that at the moment the result is the same. Let's replace the component back to the original one and see how easier this looks. Promote another body and change the target. Nothing has to be mapped, everything works well. Just delete the old link and have a look at the good result. This is how you can model machine and after assembly using the promotion of bodies. You can see this works reasonably well. Now let's look at another tool called Assembly Cut. Here is the same assembly, the same negative body, but we will use it a different way. Pick the Assembly Cut tool, select the target, select the tool, press Apply. The result is the same as with the promoted body. This isn't a surprise because body promotion actually is the engine which Assembly Cut also uses, but it looks a bit different in the Path Navigator. We can apply additional modeling features to the component body because it is a promoted body, the same as with the explicit promotion, but the only difference is that this body is promoted automatically. But weight calculation works the same as in the first case. It is also absolutely correct. Now let's have a look at the behavior of this tool in case of the component replacement. Let's replace the component with a different one. We can see that Assembly Cut has lost its target. It can be replaced. But the additional edge blend has been removed. We can fix this the same way as we fixed it in the first case. Just apply the edge blend to the negative body, hide this body and see the result. If we replace the component back to the original one, we'll see that the changes we are required to do are minimal. Just simply adjust the target and press OK. So this is how assembly cut tool works. You can see that this is also a reasonably well made tool. Now a different technique, creation of wave copy of a component body. The assembly is the same, the negative body the same, but we are creating a wave copy of a component body. We can see that in this case this isn't a promoted body, this is a copy. Let's do the same operation, subtraction. Be warned that the assembly weight in the case of this technique will be calculated wrong. I explain how to fix this issue in a different article at Kedro.com, but let's get back to our scenario. Let's apply some edge blends as in the first two cases and replace a component, but we can apply some additional features first. In this case, this will help us to see how convenient are some applicable tools. Let's replace the component. Pick the same one as in the first two cases and review the result. The wave copy is now a broken link. We simply need to create new link and run an automatic feature replace tool. Right click, select replace, pick a new feature and press OK. When we use wave copies of solid bodies, we need to do some weight management, but instead we have more flexibility when we have to replace a component with a new one. To find more ways to use NX more efficiently, visit our blog at Kedro.com, and thank you for watching.